Hi, welcome to 2024, January sometime, and what's new? Right, over 12,000 views now, whole channel, 2.5 years, would be. 144 subscribers, thank you very much everybody, it's all good. Right, let's get to it. Sheep, 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 and some grass and a tree. So we've got fuzzy sheep, really clean sheep, sheep with lines still on it, blackhead sheep, other fuzzy sheep. And over here, still drying, there's one in every family, black sheep. Aha! So, I got a static grass spreader Christmas time, and my son got that. Honestly, it was from me. It was for him. It wasn't for me. No, it wasn't. No, it wasn't. It's educational. Educational and father and son bonding and learning and all that stuff. It wasn't so that I could breed sheep. Oh. And over here, this guy thinks he's escaped because he's wearing shades. Right. He thinks wearing shades, nobody will recognise. Well, you're a piggy, mate. What are you doing out your pen? Like. So, there we have it, folks. Exciting stuff on Laing's Trains. Sheep. Oh, I don't know if it comes out in this video, but, well, you'll see. That's fresh off the production line. I mean, out of the sheep bath thing, so that's really white. And these guys, I had a wee look at a field the other day. I thought, sheep aren't really white, are they? So, they're kind of a muddy colour. Like my sheep. And all this scenery thing, this is all quite new to me. Thought I'd have a wee stab at it. So, Laing's Trains becomes Laing's Farm. Okay.